How to view a private account on Instagram. So you want to see how to view a private account on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can view a private account on Instagram. So let's get started. So do you want to see a private Instagram account? Maybe you've seen websites or apps claiming they can do it, but is it actually possible? Let's break it down. First, Instagram made private accounts for a reason: to give users control over who sees their posts. If there were a real way to bypass this, Instagram would shut it down immediately. Now, you need to know the truth about hacks and third party applications. You might have seen applications or websites that claim to unlock private Instagram profiles. But let me tell you, they're all fake. These sites either try to steal your information, install malware, or scam you into paying for something that doesn't work. So never enter your Instagram login into third-party sites. Never download sketchy apps promising access to private accounts. And never trust YouTube videos showing fake methods. They're just trying to get views. So, can you view private accounts legitimately? So, the question is, can you view private accounts legitimately? The only way to see someone's private post is to send them a follow request. Like, just come to their profile and click on this follow button and wait for them to accept it. That's it. No tricks, no hacks, just respecting their privacy like Instagram intended. So if you see a video or website promising a way to bypass Instagram's privacy settings, now you know the truth. It's a scam. Protect your account, don't fall for fake methods, and most importantly, respect people's privacy. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in comments if you have seen any sketchy Instagram hacks. I'll see you in the next video.